Introducing the Mars 700 electric bike, your ultimate companion for all terrains, combining power, range, and versatility for an unparalleled riding experience. Power your journey with the high-capacity 48V 20.8 all-lithium super battery. Enjoy up to 60 miles in electric mode and an astonishing 100 miles in assist mode. Perfect for extended adventures. Feel the thrill with the peak 1160W motor, reaching speeds up to 30 miles per hour, with unlockable potential for even higher speeds. Choose from 5 different operation modes, whether you prefer pedaling or the ease of throttle control. Conquer any terrain with the Mars 700's 20*3.0-inch wide tires. From snowy paths to mountain trails and urban streets, the high-carbon steel frame and large tires provide excellent traction and stability. Stay informed and in control with the advanced LCD display, providing real-time data on battery status, speed, distance, power output, and riding time. It instantly detects and reports any errors, ensuring a safer and more convenient ride. Ride confidently with the Mars 700's front and rear lights and mechanical disc brakes. These features ensure your safety and comfort, day or night, on any terrain. The Mars 700 electric bike, engineered for the adventurous spirit, offering unmatched power, range, and adaptability. Explore new horizons with the Mars 700. Like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting updates and adventures. Ride smart, ride Mars 700.